Hello friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about money, or to be more specific, about funding. Let's imagine you have a brilliant business idea but you don't have money. Well, you actually have some options. Number 1, try to pay for it yourself. Minimizing your own expenses and frugal living can help you get some extra money to fund your business idea. Number 2, your friends and family. Why don't you share your brilliant idea with your family and friends? They might like it and give you some money. We live in a fast-developing world. New ideas appear at surprising pace. However, most of these ideas have one problem in common. Where can they get money for the startup? To talk about it, we need some words. Changeover. Преобразование, переход. Check. Check. Electronics. Электроника. Faulty. Бракованный, поврежденный. Graphic designer. Графический дизайнер. Invention. Изобретение. Petition. Прошение, жалоба. Safety. Сохранность, надежность, безопасность. Security. Безопасность. Software designer. Разработчик программного обеспечения. Technician. Техник. Tight. Непроницаемый, надежный, узкий. Up to date. Самый последний, современный. Useless. Бесполезный. Break into. Вламываться. Bring about. Вызывать, осуществлять. Bring back. Возвращать. Bring on. Вызывать, влиять. Bring up. Воспитывать. Hand in. Сдавать, подавать. Hand over. Передавать, вручать. Set up. Создавать, устанавливать. Keep one's promise. Сдержать обещание. There is a grammatical structure in English language that retells the meaning of the words we heard or read. This structure is called reported speech. To convert a sentence from direct speech into reported speech, we need an introductory verb. The most commonly used introductory verbs are say, tell, ask. Say is used with the following expressions. Say hello, say goodbye, say good morning, evening, afternoon, say something, say nothing, say so, say a few words, say a prayer, say no more. Tell is used with the following expressions. Tell the truth, tell a lie, tell a story, tell a secret, tell a joke, tell the time, tell the difference, tell one from another, tell somebody the way, tell somebody so. Ask is used with the following expressions. Ask a question, ask a favor, ask the price, ask around. There are some rules of converting sentences from direct speech into reported speech. For example, we must change some words and time expressions. This way, we need to change now, then, today, that day, yesterday, the day before, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day, the following day. This, that, here, there, ago, before. We can report someone's words a long time after they were said. In this case, the introductory verb is in the past tense and we need to change the tenses of the rest of the sentence. We need to change present simple into past simple, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect into past perfect, past simple into past perfect, past continuous into past perfect continuous. For example, Michelle said, "I want to go to France." The introductory verb said is used in past simple tense, that's why we need to change the rest of the sentence. Example, Michelle said that she wanted to go to France. To form a reported question, we need to remember several rules. 1. If the direct question starts with a question word, the reported question should also start with the same question word. 2. If the direct question starts with an auxiliary verb or a modal verb, the reported question should start either with if or with whether. There are some verbs in English language that change their meaning depending on the preposition that follows them. Today we will talk about some of them. Break into – вламываться. Bring about – вызывать, осуществлять. Bring back – возвращать. Bring on – вызывать, влиять. Bring up – воспитывать. Hand in – сдавать, подавать. Hand over – передавать, вручать. Set up – создавать, устанавливать. We can use suffixes and prefixes to make verbs from nouns or adjectives. Act – enact. Предписывать. Ion – ionize, ионизировать. Length – lengthen, удлинять.